Thank you for choosing Islandwide Express and thank you for clicking on this video. I would like to show you a new feature that you will find very useful. The Please Buy It For Me feature allows you to ask someone in the US to buy and ship items to you in one easy step. They will receive a text and a nicely formatted email with the link to the items that you would like them to buy, and all they have to do is click the link. It is that easy. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and comment.